So I made a mistake and I had my numbers mixed up. The H7s were the regular driving lights and the 9005s were the high beams. So the 9005s are what I'm installing right now, the high beams on this. And basically, I'll show you here with one that's installed because I don't have somebody to hold the camera for me. There's an 8mm bolt right here. Once you pull the plastic cover off, it's a series of plastic clips that go across the top and the whole piece slides off. You got clips in the front, clips up top. Just go across with a trim tool and pop them off. There's an 8mm here, an 8mm here. There's an 8mm down here. And then when you slide the light out, you're gonna have to push this release right here. And it'll come forward. But make sure you don't kick it too far sideways because it'll grab over here. So make sure you put your hand there and like another hand in the front and pull it straight out. You may have to maneuver it around a little bit, but it comes out. Once you get it out, you're gonna have screws on a cover on the back of your light. So I pull off the cover and I pull the whole thing out when I do it. Some people unclip it and work inside the hole. I don't like doing that. I just take the coarse thread Phillips screws out and I take the whole plastic piece out and I unclip it outside of the housing and then I put it back in and then I put the screws back in and hold it. So this one's installed already. Now I'm gonna put the rear cover back on. Just hand tight, snug everything, and then reinstall the light. I'm gonna go over to the other side. I'm gonna get the other one installed, and then I'll order a set of H7 LEDs tonight to do the other side whenever they come in. I wanted to make sure that these weren't too bright because I know they go up to 10K, 15K. These are only 6500K. So let me go ahead and install them and I'll show you what they look like. They give you special gloves, but I was really careful when I installed these, so I didn't use the special gloves. I'm gonna finish installing everything real quick and I'll come right back to you. Okay, lights back in, everything's installed. I'm gonna wipe the lenses off real good real quick and then we're gonna turn them on. Okay, let's turn them on. Oh, wow. Holy white light. Those are bright. Yeah, now I just need to get a set of H7s. Those are bright. Well, that's the install. Now, gotta get the H7s and put them in. Anyway, that's the video for both of them because you're gonna know how to take it apart and put the other ones in as well. That's pretty bright. I wish it was dark in here so I could show you. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. Thumbs up. Stay tuned, I got more coming. Remember, I did the LED lights inside, all the way around in the footwell. Next, I got these, they're at the house. We're gonna do those next.